Are you confused about what laws and guidelines you need to follow when trying to collect money from late paying and non-paying customers? We'll have some answers for you coming up next. Hey, it's Jeff from American Profit Recovery. And as a collection agency, we need to follow quite a few state and federal laws when it comes to contacting consumers. And if your business is communicating with customers about any type of unpaid invoice, you really should be following some basic guidelines. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, or FDCPA, was established in 1978 to protect consumers from unfair collection practices. And while it was put in place for third-party debt collectors, it's always been a good idea for any creditor to follow these guidelines. In recent years, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB, was put in place as a means to protect and educate consumers even further. Through the Dodd Act and CFPB, the term UDAAP was established. That stands for Unfair, Deceptive, Abusive Acts or Practices. This basically states that anyone collecting a debt, which includes you, the business, or commonly referred to as a first-party creditor, must not cause any emotional or financial injury to a consumer. In other words, you need to treat your customers fairly, honestly, and with respect when trying to collect money owed to you. So here are a few basic guidelines when collecting debt on your own without the help of a third-party collection agency. Don't harass, annoy, or abuse any consumer when trying to collect on unpaid debt. Always use professional language, never lose your temper. Only call consumers during approved times of the day, which are typically between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m., although some states may differ, so check your state guidelines. Never threaten to arrest a person or seize their property or wages. Never add any interest or fees on top of what is already owed to your business unless it's in your original agreement. And always be prepared to validate the debt to your consumer. We have additional resources on our website to help guide you through your internal debt collection practices, so please take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with those. And as always, our team is ready to assist you, so please contact our experts today. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for more topics to help stay in compliance and maximize your cash flow.